Hello, Eagles. It's time to do some math. Okay, so last week in your packet, I had you do this problem. How many carrots? So Meg was making soup for dinner. She bought 5 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She used 2 carrots. 5 minus 2 equals, and I've crossed out 2, 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, so we're going to start off with a different kind of activity. It's kind of like a quick image, but not really. I'm going to show you a picture. Your job is to tell me how many triangles you see. So I'm going to make it a little challenging, though. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do it. So I'm going to hold it up. Your job is to see how many triangles you can see. How many triangles do you see? All right, so there's quite a few. I'll just show you a couple of them that you might have noticed. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. There's one here. There's even more. It really depends on how you differ them from the other ones. So that's our warm-up. Now we're going to do a quick image. So I'm going to do this fast. Okay, get ready. Okay, how many was that? Shout it out. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you might have saw it as 2, 4, 6. Or you might have just saw 3 and 3 for 6. Or maybe you saw 4 and 2. All of those are acceptable answers. We'll do one more. Okay, get ready. How many? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or maybe you saw that the top was 5, and you figured the bottom was probably 5 too. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. All right, now we're going to move on to some subtraction, but I want you to use your fingers. So we're going to stick to smaller numbers for these. So I want you to, I'll do an example one, and then I'm going to give you a couple to use your fingers on. So my first problem is going to be 3 minus 2. So when I'm solving 3 minus 2, I put 3 fingers up. And then it's minus 2, so I need to put 2 fingers down. 1, 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. All right, here's your first problem. 4 minus 2. So I want you to use your fingers. Even if you just know it in your brain, try using your fingers because it's good to practice. So you're going to solve 4 minus 2. So you hold up 4, put 2 down. 1, 2. How many's left? 2. All right, here's another one. 5 minus 3. All right, 5, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 left. Now for a little different one, 5 minus 5. So you have 5 fingers, and then you put 5 down. The answer is 0. All right, nice work. Now we're going to do a little more work on subtraction story problems. And for these, I want you to practice drawing them because it's a really important skill. Especially when you're going to get to bigger numbers, it really helps you to solve subtraction problems. And your first grade teachers, they're going to want you to show your work. And a way you can show your work is by drawing a picture. So, my story problem for you is, I had 7 cats. 4 of them went outside. How many cats are inside? I have 7 cats. 4 of them went outside. How many cats are inside? So this is a good spot to press the pause button so that you can solve it. So now I'm going to show you how. So 7 minus 4 equals 4 of them went outside. So I have to take away. Because if it was addition, then there would be more cats coming inside. There wouldn't be any cats leaving to go outside. So that means it's take away. 7 minus 4. So I draw 7 circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I cross out 4 of them. It's very important that you don't erase with your finger because it's very easy to erase too many or not enough. And when they're gone, you can't check your work. So here, I can check to make sure that I actually crossed out 4. But if they're erased, I won't know because they're gone. So I can see that I crossed out 4, and my answer is 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now I'm going to give you another one. I have 10 cookies. I was feeling really hungry, so I ate 7 of my cookies. How many cookies do I have now? So I have 10 cookies. I was feeling really hungry, so I ate 7 of the cookies. How many cookies are left? Solve that now. Remember to press the pause button so that you can do your work and not hear me solve it. Okay, so I'll show you again. So you would do 10 minus 7. Because I ate them, like they're in my tummy now, so they're gone. So that's take away. So I would draw 10 circles. Then I cross out 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves 1, 2, 3. 3. So my answer is 3. Okay. And now, this next one I'm going to give as a big number, so we're not going to do a story problem for it. It's just more to practice like solving larger ones by drawing a picture. So my problem for you is going to be 17 minus 9. Can you solve 17 minus 9? 17 minus 9. Can you solve that now? This will take a little bit, so make sure you press the pause button here. Okay, so to draw, 17 is going to take a while. So you want to take your time and make sure you don't draw too many. So I'm going to draw 10 first. 2 sets of 5. So there's 10. 17 is 10 and 7. So I draw 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I need to take away 9. So I'm going to start over here in the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I can count. I know the top is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Nice work today. That was great. The next thing that you can do is get out this page here so that you can do this week's problem, because you'll have done 2 of them now. This one looks like this. It's called How Many Apples? So it says solve the problem, show your work. Show your work means draw a picture. So Jose brought some apples to school to share. He brought 4 apples. He gave 3 apples away. How many apples did he have left? So I'll read it to you again. Jose brought some apples to school to share. He brought 4 apples. He gave 3 apples away. How many apples did he have left? So your job is to solve that. Make sure you have a picture and a number sentence because that's showing your work. All right, great job today. Nice work. I'll see you next week.